I never thought I'd be doing this at home, but here we are, making our own cheeseburger spring rolls, and you guessed it, pepperoni spring rolls. Let's have at it. All right, we've got all our ingredients here. We're gonna be using these egg roll wraps. We got pepperoni, mozzarella, and some pickles. Let's go get that meat browned. Take your Velveeta, squeeze it on in. Now that we've got our beef and cheese, we're gonna cut up some dill pickle spears. Gonna mix it all up. Squirt it everywhere. Next up, we got 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Mix this up good. And then 5 dashes of Worcestershire Lean Parents. That's a lot. What? I think we're gonna go with 2 on that. All right, so now we got our egg roll wraps. The key is, take these, lay it in a diamond shape, put in a 1/4 cup of meat substance along the bottom. Gotta make it nice and tight. And we gotta wet the edge a little bit of the diamond. And then we've got our egg roll. I just impressed myself with that. Let's go for number 2. Look at this, I'm a pro. Just call me a rapologist. Now come the dreaded pizza rolls. We're gonna lay these out diamond shape. Then we've got our Tillamook cheese. It says to add a 1/4 cup cheese. More for good measure. We're gonna add 3 pepperonis. This one we're gonna do without pepperoni, just the cheese. And for our next trick, we're gonna do a 1/2 of a cup of cheese and a 1/2 of a cup of our ground beef and cheese and 2 pepperonis. And for the last one, we'll do the beef, cheese, and sauce. A little more sauce on there, a little bit of cheese. We've got our cheeseburger spring rolls, our pepperoni pizza spring rolls, starting with our cheeseburger spring rolls. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, these slap. These are hands down so much better than Magic Kingdom's, so much gooder. All right, I'm thinking these ones are just cheese. It tastes just like a mozzarella stick, spring roll mozzarella stick. I can rock with that one. That's hot. This is just pepperoni. It's crazy Reese's. But the pepperoni is not. It don't belong on pizza. I think this one has everything in it. This is just the meat, the sauce, and the cheese. Not as greasy, but still not as good as the cheeseburger one. But I'm gonna say the pepperoni spring rolls, I can feel the heat going down that's hot. The cheeseburger spring rolls, I'm definitely gonna make again because they were a great snack. Pepperoni spring rolls, you can have them. Take them. I know you guys love them. They're all yours. I'm out.